Welcome to the Wengage Paycheck Stub tutorial. First, you will notice your school district's heading. The pay stub will be customized to their specifications and may appear differently than you see here. The employee detail line displays your employee number, name, location, marital status, number of exemptions, the purchase order from which the employee is paid, the date the pay was issued, and the amount. You will notice the amount is 0 here because this employee is paid using direct deposit. First, let's talk about what each of the rows display. The amounts that display in the current row are the amounts paid for this pay period. The contract year-to-date row displays the total amounts paid so far in the current contract year. The calendar year-to-date row displays the income amounts paid so far in the calendar year. The gross column displays your current, contract year-to-date and calendar year gross income amounts. The federal withholding, state withholding and FICA columns also display the current, contract year-to-date and calendar year totals. The current total voluntary deduction amount displays here. If you have a flex benefit, that amount will display here. The flex benefit amount is used to offset your deductions. The total voluntary deductions includes the other voluntary deductions, plus the teacher retirement deduction total minus your flex benefit amount. The teacher retirement deduction amount is calculated by subtracting the teacher retirement credit from the teacher retirement deduction total. You can view your voluntary deductions here. This includes the voluntary deduction code, name and amount for this pay period. Your net income amount displays here. If you take the gross amount and subtract the federal withholding, state withholding, FICA and voluntary deduction amounts, you get the net amount. The fringe column displays the fringe amounts paid for the current pay period and the contract year-to-date amounts. The current fringe column is calculated using the amounts from the TR fringe and other district-paid fringes amounts. The taxable wages column displays the sum of all your earnings that are taxable. You can view the current, contract year-to-date and calendar year-to-date amounts. Here you can view how your gross salary was calculated for the indicated pay period. Here you can view your teacher retirement deduction and fringe amounts as well as see how your teacher retirement fringe total was calculated. Your other district-paid fringes will display here. This includes the district-paid fringe code, name and amount for this pay period. If you participate in direct deposit, the amount deposited will display here. Thank you for watching the Paycheck Stub tutorial.